If you're experiencing login issues on Netflix, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try opening a website or using another app to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typos and that you're using the correct account details. Step 3. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. If you're using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Step 5. Update the Netflix app. If you're using a mobile device or smart TV, ensure that the Netflix app is updated to the latest version. Check your device's app store for any available updates. If you follow these steps and still can't log in, consider reaching out to Netflix customer support for further assistance.